Hello everybody, this is Real Reviews YS, and I'm back again with fun product review. And this time it's for the, well, I don't want to say wannabe, but the wannabe AirPods. These are great. Well, I'm not sure if they're great yet, but I'm excited about these because they're compatible with Android. I do not own an Apple phone, but these work for iPhone and for Android phones. So let's go ahead and try them. I really like the style of them. That's why I decided to buy them from Amazon. They're $25 and they have different colors. Mine's black, even though the box shows a white one. But I'm excited. I have my phone here, and that's why I got black ones so it can match my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and open it and sync it up and see how well they work. So this is by the brand TWS. This is the i7S. So let's go ahead and open them and take a closer look here. So when you open it and remove it from the package, this is how it's gonna look. Oh, it's nice. I've seen them, but I haven't had the pleasure of like touching one of the AirPods. So this is a little case. Let's go ahead and pop it open here. They're nice. They're light. They look like the Apple ones. Put them right here. Let's see what else we have here. We have our micro USB cable. We have another cable. I believe this is for the AirPods. So you would just kind of connect it here. And then I'm not sure why you only get one charger. So you're only using one AirPod maybe, more than two. Maybe they should have added a splitter here so you could charge two at once in case you don't have your case with you. I'm not sure, that's kind of odd, but they gave us this. And then we have our menu. So let's go ahead and sync it up and see how well they work. So I have here my little USB connector. So let's go ahead and connect this. Just for fun, let's just put this one in here too. So maybe I could keep one here in my office and take the other one in wherever I want to have it officially charging, maybe my room. It says it charges up to a full charge for 2 hours. So, well, the initial charging is about 1 to 2 hours, and then you can fully use them for about 4 to 5 hours. Standby for 100 hours, but we'll see how they go. So they're charged now. I'll wait a little bit, pull them out, and then you're supposed to hold them down until you see them blink, like several colors. Now let's look for them. there you have it. That was super easy to Bluetooth it. And I'm going to go ahead and plug them in and see how well they work. So I just got back from listening to them on the phone and I put some music on. The max volume, it's kind of not too loud, little staticky, so don't maximize it. But overall,